The surest way to save money on an undertaking repair is to use effective rust penetrant. With this in mind, Spanner developed the ultimate rust penetrant C44. Let me show you how this product works. First, you have to shake it very well, because it's 4 component product and you have to mix the component inside. Let me spray little on this up-down aerosol and show you the product. This product is copper based, and once it penetrates will leave a copper film which has anti-seize action. And now I will put this bolt and you will see how quickly we'll grab the bolt thread. Let me show you how we'll dissolve the rust. That's quick, isn't it? Look how it's boiling around the bolt and dissolving the rust. Its chemical reaction will dissolve immediately the rust. To further that impress you, let me remove this. To further that impress you, I will put a paper between those two glasses, and now you will see the penetrating capabilities. Watch closer, because it's very fast acting. You see? That's quick, isn't it? Let me show you what happened with this bolt and the rust. You see? All rust is dissolved and the bolt thread is almost clear. Thank you for your watching. For further information, please visit our website spannereurope.com.